Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll have to work until you die." So how can you make thousands of dollars even while you sleep? Do you agree that we often spend a significant amount of our free time watching videos on YouTube without knowing how to turn it into a source of income? It seems like a wasted opportunity, doesn't it? In this video, I will show you 3 simple steps to create a passive income using the videos you watch on YouTube every day. Step 1. Start by visiting YouTube and watching funny videos or those that you believe have the potential to go viral or attract a large audience. I will guide you on the type of video you should focus on, one that has a high view count, allowing you to earn substantial money. In the search bar, type #short plus Minecraft. You will notice that these Minecraft videos are generating millions of views. Our goal is to leverage those views and earn money each time someone watches the video. Click on the 3 dots, select the share button, and copy the video link. Step 2. Now I will introduce you to a top platform that pays people to watch YouTube videos, ShrinkEarn. The amount you earn per 1,000 views depends on your country, ranging from $3.50 to $1.20. Registering as a ShrinkEarn member is a straightforward process. Once you log into your account, click on the New Shorten Link button on the left side and paste the previously copied video link to create a shortened link. Step 3. Now, download the video from YouTube using y2mate.com. Then, use CapCut to select a short, intriguing clip from the video, something that piques viewers' curiosity. Now, let's switch to another platform called Imgur, which boasts millions of users worldwide. Go to the New Post section and use the original video's title as the post title. In the description write, "Watch the full video here," and add the shortened link from ShrinkEarn. Whenever people watch the video, you will earn money. The principle is simple. Viewers watch ads, and ShrinkEarn shares the advertising revenue with you. Don't forget to share the shortened link on other websites to maximize your income. For example, the Minecraft forum is highly popular among Minecraft game lovers. You can comment, "Watch this cool and interesting video," and paste your link. Platforms like Minecraft on Reddit, with 7.3 million members, Facebook and Instagram also offer great opportunities for sharing your shortened link. That's how you can make money by watching videos on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.